Hi, this is Eric from Portland, and I wanted to do an unboxing because I've been wanting one of these for a very long time. I've been making my own mini alcohol stoves for quite a while, and I've spent a ton of money doing it, probably $150 buying tools and punches and all kinds of stuff. And I've gotten to this level because I like this type of stove, which is a stove that is also a pot stand. But the master on this is Tinny at Minibull Design. So, at least I think he is. I've never actually bought a stove. I've watched all his videos. So this is an unboxing. And what I want to do is unbox this and do a little video cook time on this. So let's go ahead and open this thing up without hurting myself. By the way, the video, or I should say PayPal, worked fine. The shipping was just like he said it would be on the website. I have here a piece of paper, and it says PayPal, and note, thanks for paying with PayPal, the safest way to pay online. And it was $20 US and $3 shipping, so $23 total. I get this little box, and it has paper in it, and it has this BIOS 4. And well, I want to look at this first. Looks just like the stove in the video, so it's what I thought it would be. Has a bunch of little jets. It's a little bit heavier than this, but negligible. I don't know. And it says here, directions for the BIOS. Soak the bonded primer wick with alcohol and place the BIOS on flat, non-flammable surface. Pour about a ½ ounce of alcohol. See, usually I pour an ounce into this one for 2 cups of water. It says it works best with 4-inch base or larger, so that's about my pot. Okay, let's just check it out. Here is some SLX alcohol I bought at Home Depot, and let's prime it. Ooh. A little bit on the outside, a little bit on the inside, a little bit more on the outside. And there's that. So that's a little bit less than an ounce. I usually do this with a metal match, but seeing we're doing videos today, let's just go ahead and light the outside and the inside. I'm not positive I lit the inside, but I think I did. It's about 45 degrees today. The water we're going to use is tap water. I'll leave it unplugged. The wind doesn't seem to be kicking up right now. Stop?
No, start the time.
Oh, and I'm supposed to start the time. This thing bloomed incredibly fast. I've got to get a timer on my iPhone. I am starting the time right now. It has bloomed. It has a match in there, which is probably not kosher. Ooh, it's hot. This is way better than my stove. Whoa! Angry stove. Okay, put water in your stove before you do this. It's roughly 2 cups of water. And just to give it a realistic test, I'm going to go ahead and put my windscreen on here, because that's what I do on my own. And there we go. We're going to stop, and we'll be back to you in probably about 3 minutes. Okay, bye-bye. So to show you how much time it takes for my homemade stove to prime, I just lit it up. It has about a ½ ounce of alcohol in here. And I wasn't really paying attention, but I'd say that the Minibull primed in this amount of time. Let's see how long it takes here. The alcohol that I'm using is about 45 degrees. It's been out in the in the garage with everything else. The water is tap water. The ambient temperature is also 45 degrees right now. High humidity. You know, maybe 70% humidity today. It is Oregon. It's just starting to bloom right now, and I would say that the Minibull stove bloomed in half the time of my homemade job right here, and is quite a bit stronger in its flame. Okay, here we are at 740 and total rolling boil. So there you have it. 45 degrees, rolling boil at 740 with a BIOS 2. I'll tell you what, this is far superior to my stove, my homemade stove. And at $20, I probably would have saved over $100 not experimenting with my own, although I did have fun with it. So Minibull Designs, BIOS 4, in my opinion, goodbye.